Hello and welcome to this week's edition. I was about to say thank you for calling. Welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. And I know it's Friday. This is the kind of week I've been having. But in case you didn't know, happy Estate Planning Awareness Week 2025. So while the recognition of estate planning awareness goes through tomorrow, I'm really not late with the video. But I wanted to just come on here very quickly and share with you that we've added a couple new resources to our website on our resources page. One talking about an estate plan. So I come on here all the time and talk about the importance of estate planning and you're needing to have something in place in writing to help safeguard you and your family in the event that you become incapacitated or at the time of your passing and after your passing. So developing an estate plan is not a task that can just be completed and then forgotten about. It is the documents within an estate plan are living, breathing documents that should be revisited on a regular basis. So we've added an estate planning self-checkup checklist to that resources page. And what this does, hopefully, will allow you to go through this and verify that your plan, whatever you have in place right now, is still thorough enough that it covers and continues to align with your wishes. And then we also have added a digital assets checklist to that resources page as well. So are your digital assets protected? Do you even know what all you have in the form of digital assets in that digital asset space? So download our guide to kind of get started on inventorying, say that 5 times fast, your digital assets and designating a cyber successor. Throwing all these terms at you, but you really need to have somebody as your agent to be able to access your digital assets and do what needs to be done, whether they're monetary accounts or social media accounts or whatever all you may have out there, to make sure they're managed and handled the right way. So with that said, that's it. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the rest of Estate Planning Awareness Week and all the other things that you are doing today and this weekend. Stay safe. And as always, I thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.